Introducing Resincoat Liquid Rubber Waterproofing, the ultimate DIY-friendly coating for waterproofing a wide range of surfaces. This flexible, one-coat membrane delivers instant water protection and offers reliable, long-term performance you can count on. Start by ensuring the surface is clean, dry, and free from debris or contaminants. All joints, cracks, seams and vents should be reinforced using Resincoat scrim tape following the instructions provided. This includes areas such as sheet metal joins and vertical and horizontal transitions. Some surfaces may require a primer before applying Resincoat liquid rubber. Check our website for detailed surface preparation advice. Before use, stir the product thoroughly. Do not thin the material. Make sure the ambient and surface temperature is between 5 and 30 degrees Celsius during application. Apply Resincoat liquid rubber waterproofing using a brush or solvent-resistant roller, just like you would paint. Use a generous coat, aiming for a minimum coverage of 1 meter squared per liter. In most cases, only one coat is needed, but make sure to inspect the surface before deciding if an additional coat is required. You now have instant waterproof protection. Drying time can be up to 8 hours or overnight, depending on temperature and conditions. Allow up to 7 days for full cure. All the tools featured in this video are listed in the description box below. For more advice on using Resincoat products and to explore our full range of home and garden solutions, check out our other videos or visit the Resincoat website.